Check this. Yeah. ForBeatSake, man, I took you out to the woods, bro. Hey yo, it's OI with ForBeatSake, banging on production. About to get it wildin' like you hanging with your cousins. Gritty and grimy, get it dirty like the dozens. About to hurt some feelings like your Uncle Winnie buzzing. We on point like mouse clicks. Brothers, you ain't bout it. Like Auschwitz, there ain't no way of getting out it. You trapped in a fantasy, you rap like a fallacy. Can't you see there's a price attached to your vanity? Hey yo, I stay fly and defy all laws of gravity and then cause calamity. Peaceful for the most part, people think they know Mark. Go against the grain and get slain up in the Ozarks. This is for them old cats and all those throwbacks with headlines like mine that'll never grow back. They told me give it up, it's time to retire. I told them that my style is just getting warmed up, I'm on fire. Aaliyah told me age ain't nothing but a number, so I'ma rip the vinyl until my final slumber.